This is a used 2013 Volkswagen Passat. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.5-liter, 5-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 10,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. The features include a sunroof, electric trunk, heated seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, auto-dimming mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.